Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7. In today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the Mangotek charging dock for your Apple Watch and your iPhone. And from the packaging here, it looks like a pretty nice device. So with that said, let's get started. Let's grab our unboxing knife and let's open it up and see what we have inside. All right, now that we got it open, let's check out what's inside here. This is supposed to slide out, I believe. You know what? There's more tape. So let's cut that too. Okay, I think that'll do it. Now opening it up, finally getting the top off here. We take off the one thing here. And the first thing we come out with is some instructions. So be sure to look over that and figure out how to put this together. We're going to put that to the side. Next is the charging dock itself, looks like. Remove that, push that box out the way. And, oh, surprisingly, it comes assembled already. Now that's pretty nice. So that is the charging dock, the Mango charging dock. It's already pre-assembled. Looking at the bottom, it has the rubber feet to where it won't slide. And what's really cool about it, it already has its Apple Watch charger built into the dock. Now that's pretty nice. It's already built into the dock. And if you notice around the back side of it, you have your specialized power cord here. And it has a USB port there where you can plug in another device and charge it along too. So what we're going to do here is peel off this little plastic, and I believe in this box here, set that there, is the charger. So opening that up, and this is a little different type of a charger, you know, different than most micro USB or USB-C charger. But anyway, you would need to just, this just plugs up into the back of that like so. So we're gonna go ahead and plug that up real quick and see how it works with our devices. Well, okay, we got it all plugged up now. And keep in mind too that the plug itself gives up to 10 watts of charge, which makes that a fast charger. And now we try it out with our Apple devices. Put our Apple Watch here on the dock, and it's automatically starting to charge. Also, I'm going to turn it sideways too, that you can see there's a blue LED light there that lets you know that it's plugged up correctly and is ready to go. And then you would take your iPhone and put it there. And so that is pretty nice, if I say so myself. Now this is an iPhone 7, so it doesn't have the built-in wireless charge. But that will go, this unit will go great with your iPhone 8 Plus or your iPhone 10 to where you can charge it wirelessly. And it has a USB port on the back there to where you can plug in, I'll move the phone for a second, to where you can plug in another device, like you might have an iPad or a second phone. So that is very nice, I must say. And that is from Mangotek. And the build on this is super nice. The chrome makes it look very elegant, very premium, and it will definitely look good on your nightstand or your desk, wherever you choose to put it at. So that's about it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was informative. Now, if this is your first time visiting our channel, or if you've been here before but hadn't subscribed, I want you to take a moment right now and go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.